So hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about delete operation in MongoDB and how can we delete the documents which we have added till now. So for that we'll be using only the deleteOne and deleteMany command. So let's first explore our groceries. I can use the previously used command, which is pretty. You can see that there are 4 documents still available there. If I want any of the documents to be deleted, then I will be using deleteOne or deleteMany command. So if I want this one, like the cake one, to be deleted, so I'll be using the updateOne command. So I'll be using the db.groceries because I want to execute all the CRUD operation commands onto the collection collection groceries. I'll be using deleteOne. Inside that I can specify the condition. So for the condition I'm using name because name is there, and the name is cake because name is unique now. I haven't used cake anywhere else, so that's why I can use this name cake. If you want ID or something, then you can also use that way. So this is the command, and then if you execute this, then you can see that it is executed successfully and it deleted one document. If I execute the command find again, you can see now there are only 3 documents available and the cake is deleted now. So this is how we execute a deleteOne command. Similarly, we can also use deleteMany for the objects whom I want, like if I want to delete more than 1 documents inside the collection, then I'll be using updateMany. So for example, I want to update all the elements or the documents which are having what is a common thing. So okay, so I want to delete all of them, right? So I can directly use this deleteMany, and if I add one empty curly brackets, then it will delete all the documents inside that groceries. And if you have some specific conditions there, then you can execute that also. For example, if you want all the groceries to be, which are having the currency USD, that you want it to be deleted. So for that you can also set like currency. If I don't put anything and press enter, then all the data inside the collection will be deleted. So that's why I'm deleting only the collections, the documents which are having the currency USD. Like this one is having currency USD and this one, but this one is not having. Olive oil is not having the currency USD. So I'll be deleting the objects or the documents which are having the currency USD. So for that I'll be adding the filter or the condition, which is currency should be in USD. So that I'm executing. If I put this, then it will delete more than 1 element. If I put updateOne or deleteOne, then it will only delete 1 matched document. Otherwise, deleteMany will delete all the elements or the documents which matches this condition. So you can see that it deleted 2 documents which match the condition. So this one and this one is deleted now, and if I again see that, then you can see that only olive oil is there because it is having the different currency INR. So this is how we delete 1 element or 1 document and more than 1 document inside a collection by using updateOne and updateMany. So all the CRUD operations are finished. We'll meet with another awesome topic in MongoDB. So let's wait for that, and thank you for watching the video.